everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Dino Boom. This is my third video regarding the candles in candlestick charts. I will tell something about a game. Sometimes you might be here, people are criticize the players as he is not in the good rhythm. In last 4-5 matches, no more runs gained for the team. Why he is like that? And also the same player gained more runs for the team consecutively, and then the people are telling he is now in good rhythm like that. The trading also same like that. Sometimes continuously wins and sometimes continuously fail. Then the player must be have positive mindset to come to the rhythm with some changes, practices, plans, and identifying their weaknesses with taking actions for them. When you come to best positions in the game, the mindset also very important, same as the your skill set. Think, make a target to win your game with best practice. Let's go to our topic, the double candle designs. In my list, the first candle type is bullish engulfing. This creates after a set of bearish candles and it creates a small bearish body candle. Then next candle creates as a bullish candle and its body is bigger than the previous candle. Then it will be a gain sales as reversal signal was, and there is a rapid turn in front of your path. And I will go to my next candle type, bearish engulfing, same as the bullish engulfing. It also creates after a set of bullish candle set and create a small bullish candle and then create a bigger bullish candle that cover the bearish candle like that, and it also gain a reversal signal and it makes a sign as rapid turn on your path. We will go to next candle set. The third one is bullish harami. It creates after a set of bearish candles and it creates a bigger bearish candle and next time creates a smaller bullish candle. You can see the size difference of the bearish candle and the bullish candle, and it makes a sense for us as reversal signal, and it gives a sign as there is a rapid turn on your path, rapid left side turn. And I will go to my fourth candle set, bearish harami, and it creates after a set of bullish candle set and creates a bigger bullish candle and then it creates a smaller bearish candle, same as like that, and it gains a signal as reversal signal and sign us there is on your path there is a rapid turn to right. I'll go to my next candle set, bullish tweezers. This also creates after a set of bearish candle set and creates a small body bearish candle with high lower wick, high lower shadow. Same as like that, similar candle creates a as bullish candle with a low wick. This body must be in not in same level. There are some small deviations can be available, but design is like this. Then it's gain a signal as reversal signal. It signs us there is a rapid turn on your path. I will go to my next candlestick. The sixth one is bearish tweezers. In here also, it creates after set of bullish candlestick and it creates a small bullish candle with upper wick. And it also creates a similar bearish candle with upper wick. And it gains a signal as reversal signal for us and sign us there is a right side turn on your path. We'll go to next slide. The next candle type is seventh candle type kicker. You can see there is a gap after this candle. There is a price gap. This start in here and close in here and jump to here and then it's come down and come up and there is some gap. It tails as a bullish kicker and here also same like that. After bearish candle there is a jump. It starts from here and close from here and there is a jump to here to start this candle. This is also a kicker candle and it's named as bearish kicker. It gains a continuous signal. After this, we can predict there is a next time also a bullish candle will be created. Here also, next time also a bearish candle will be created. So, signs also go ahead on your path. Okay, we will see our summary about bullish trend given candlesticks. The first set is reversal candles. The third one is continual candle type. I will summarize this. The first one is bullish engulfing, and the second one is bullish hardening, and third one is bullish tweezer, and fourth one is bullish kicker. We will go to our next summary regarding the bearish candle designs. Here also there are reversal signal available candle designs and continuous signal available candle designs. The first one is bearish engulfing. The second one is bearish hardening. The third one is bearish tweezers. And these three create after a set of bullish candles and it gains a turn for bearish candle design. The third one is kicker. It's give a continuous signal to go ahead with same candle design, the bearish candle design. We'll go to our next slide. This I have taken from an actual market to show you some candle designs which we have discussed in previous slides. The first one is bearish hardening. After this bullish candle, bigger bullish candle, small bearish candle has been created. But there is some small mismatch with bearish hardening. But I want to show you similar like that design will be created as bearish hardening. And the next one is bullish kicker. After this bullish candle, there is a price jump. There is a jump to create another bullish candle. And the next one is bullish engulfing. After this bearish candle, the bigger bullish candle has been created. So it will be tells us to get the repeat turn for your prediction. For prediction for bullishness. And there is a bearish kicker. After this bearish candle, there is a price gap and creates the next candle type. Next candle, bearish candle. Sometimes you will be think as I am misguiding you because in my previous video I have shown you in here there is a hammer candle and in here there is a inverted hammer candle. But now I am saying about a bullish kicker and bullish engulfing. Don't worry about this. If you see some one more than one signs for the bullish, it will be confirm your prediction. So your prediction percentage will be increased. No issue. You can see there is a two signs and the turn is very high. And here also there are two signals and the turn is also very high. No issue. And if you take something from my video, please subscribe my channel, The Dino Boom. We will see you again with my next video. Thank you.